Stop scrolling if your PC is crawling like it's stuck in 2005. You don't need a brand new machine or sketchy software to make your computer feel lightning fast again. Windows has powerful, hidden repair mechanics built right into its core that most people completely ignore, and today we are going to unlock them in under 4 minutes. First, we are opening up the Task Manager to get a good look at what's choking your system. If you see your processor or memory redlining while you're barely doing anything, that is a massive red flag. To fix the deep-rooted system lag, type CMD in your search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as an administrator. Now type in sfc/scannow and hit Enter. This kicks off the System File Checker, a native tool that hunts down corrupted system files and swaps them out for fresh copies automatically. If that doesn't fully do the trick, we bring out the heavy artillery. Type dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. This commands Windows to cross-reference your PC's health directly with Microsoft's cloud servers, repairing your core system image from scratch. Finally, we'll run a chkdsk command to sweep for any underlying hard drive sector errors and finish it off with a built-in drive check via File Explorer properties to ensure your storage is performing optimally. If this quick maintenance guide just breathed new life into your slow computer, tap that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know how much faster your PC is running right now. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.